The evolution of VAZ, from the Kopeika to the Niva, a classic familiar to everyone. VAZ 2101, it all started with the legendary Kopeika, a simple, affordable, reliable car that gave Soviet people personal freedom. It became a symbol of the beginning of mass car production in the USSR. The factory's first station wagon. Practical and spacious, the two became a family helper. Its trunk could hold everything from potatoes to suitcases, making it ideal for summer cottage owners. The Troika was a step towards comfort and prestige. More chrome, an improved dashboard, and a powerful engine. This car was considered a status symbol and showed that VAZ could make more than just people's cars. The Chetyreka marked the return of the station wagon. Spacious, durable, and loved by workers and families. The 4 was indispensable for travel and work, reliable in the simplest and most difficult conditions. 5, modern in its own way. Strict forms, square headlights, improved safety. The 5 became a symbol of the new design era of the 80s and the mass renewal of the car fleet. The 6, one of the most popular VAZ models. More comfortable, more reliable, more dynamic. The 6 maintained its reputation for many years and can still be seen on the roads today, a living legend of the Soviet automotive industry. The 7, a luxury Ziguli. Chrome, improved trim, a sense of prestige. The 7 was driven by executives and simply those who wanted to look respectable. The last of the classic rear-wheel drive VAZs. The Oka, a mini legend. A small, economical, and cheerful car. An excellent choice for the city and novice drivers. The Oka proved that convenience does not depend on size. Niva, a true off-road legend. 4-wheel drive, simple mechanics, and incredible cross-country ability. The Niva became a symbol of adventure and remains a favorite to this day. Subscribe and like more videos on our channel.